Continuing our series on UPSC Prelims PYQ discussion, let's discuss this question that was asked by UPSC in Prelims 2022. Which of the following activities constitute real sector in the economy? Farmers harvesting their crops, textile mills converting raw cotton into fabrics, a commercial bank lending money to a trading company, a corporate body issuing rupee-denominated bonds overseas. So this question is basically based on the real economy as well as the financial sector of the economy. Real sector and the financial sector. So let's discuss. The real sector of the economy refers to the part that produces goods and services involving the actual production activities. It includes agriculture, manufacturing, construction and services. Basically, the primary sector, the secondary sector as well as the tertiary sector. The financial sector supports the real sector by providing capital and facilitating transactions, but it does not indirectly produces goods or services itself. So coming back to the question, so farmers harvesting their crops is the real sector. Textile mills converting raw cotton into fabrics is also part of the real sector. A commercial bank lending money to a trading company, this comes under financial sector. And a corporate body issuing rupee-denominated bonds overseas, it also comes under financial sector as well as the external sector. So the correct answer here will be option A, 1 and 2 only.